How to blur video background on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to blur video background on TikTok. So if you are ready, let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom to add or recorded a new video. You can either shoot a fresh video or choose a one from your gallery by tapping on the upload icon. Here's the important part. TikTok doesn't offer a direct blur background button, but don't worry, I have got a workaround for you. Tap on the sparkling effect icon. Browse through various effects. You will need to check them one by one to find an effect that give a blurred background look or similar authentic. So guys, if you want to blur the background directly on TikTok, you will need to experiment with effect, but for more control and better result, CapCut is a great option. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.